trying to figure out what's wrong with the motorcycle. It's a brand new battery. I just put in, I clean everything here. So I'm checking with my multimeter the charge in the battery. Let me put this right here. You guys can see it. You can see right here, positive, negative. It shows a 25.3. So that's a high for. I have it in my setting for voltage at 200 because at 20 it wouldn't give me the reading. So I put it at 20. It's too high, so it won't give me a reading. So I put it at 200. And it gives me 25.3 voltage for the battery. So I suppose that should be good. Now what I'm confused is when I check for continuity and I go to the parts right here, this part right here should give me something. It should be continuity here, but it doesn't show anything. It shows 0 on this part right here, which is the connection between the battery and the motorcycle. It has nothing. However, when I test the fuse inside, it gives me a reading. It gives me current. So I have no idea what's wrong. See, if I check all the other fuses, you can see that they all have a reading. They all fine. And there's a fuse in here. There's a 30, and it's good. But when I put it here, it doesn't give me any reading. So is this part wrong? That's what I'm thinking, that this part might be wrong. Let me crank the motorcycle now, see if you can hear what it sounds like. Show right here, please. This is what the motorcycle does when I try to start it. Okay. Nothing. Completely dead. I figure maybe this right here might be wrong. It was working before, but now it's not. I get nothing, not even switch. There's a little bit of current right there, but not enough. So I'm gonna try to jump start it now. See, now it flipped. You can hear that? Now it's asking for fuel. And it's supposed to click, but nothing. So I have no idea what it is. Filming that? It's like checking everything, but then when I try to start, I have no current. So I suppose that this is bad and it's not allowing all the voltage to go through. But I'm not sure. So that's my question.